Welcome at ProBot, welcome at our booth here at the Interpack. My name is Roy Smith and I'd like to show you around here what we have at this year's display at the Interpack. In this session I'd like to talk about the Universal Mill. And to talk about the Universal Mill, I am here with Uwe Weiling. Uwe, welcome.
Good morning, Roy.
Can you please explain first of all to me, how does this work? What is the principle of a universal mill?
The principle is to grind brittle and dry ingredients, sugar, cocoa, whatever, to fine powder.
Okay.
This we do very universal because we have a lot of possibilities to set up the mill according to the application.
So you can grind like only sugar, but you can also grind mixes like sugar, milk powder, cocoa all together in one mix and grind it to the required particle size.
Yes, that is what we do, and we do this with a customized setup of inside the mill. So we will have a look inside.
Yes, please.
Here we have two main tools. This is a rotating grinding element. We call it turbo rotor, looking like a fan.
Yeah.
And we have a sieve ring that is static and around this. I can show that in detail.
Oh, I've never seen this before.
So this is not rotating.
Yeah.
And this is the other part that can be varied very much to be adapted to the application. So we can change the number of these brackets, we can change the sieve size here, we can change the speed of the rotor. So we are very universal, that is what we say.
And then the sieve size determines the fineness of the powder coming out, the mixture coming out.
Right. This is a typical setup for standard icing sugar, what you have in retail packages.
Yeah. Okay.
If we go to a combination for this refinery conch, then we go finer, then we need a smaller sieve. And
No, that's really good. So for dry grinding, either ingredients or mixtures, this is the heart of your grinding line, and you can grind it to any fineness.
We also go into spices, into rice, into malt and several grains.
And then last question, so I can put in something which is 1500 micron in size, and then what are the sizes coming out at what capacity?
We can set up, depending on the product, between 50 and 200 micron. Yeah. At a capacity of a few hundred kilos to several tons, like 7 tons of sugar in the biggest unit. That is the range we can provide. Yeah.
So you can have a high capacity, you can have dry ingredients, mixtures. I mean, this is really the heart of your grinding line. I'm really excited. Thank you very much. If you want to know more about this machine or one of the other we have here at display, please check out the website probot.com or reach out to your local contact. Thank you, Uwe.
Thank you, Roy.